Hello, Mr. Gearers. It's terrible. I'll have to come up with something better. Or I won't, but anyway. Gonna do a quick series. I'm getting the Camry ready to sell. So there's a couple things. I don't want to sell it unless I know that it's gonna be a good car for somebody and it's gonna be safe. So I've ordered struts, tires, a new serpentine belt, and I've done coils and brakes and all that stuff. I just did an oil change. I'm not gonna lie, used car prices are pushing me to get this thing going. It's worth double what it was a year ago. And we got a build date for the Bronco, which is cool. So we don't need it. Land Cruiser's running fantastic after that trip to Central Oregon. Totally confident in that. So yeah, that's my wife's daily driver. It kind of always has been, but she's been jumping in the Camry lately. But so we're gonna get this ready to go. So I don't know how many parts I'll break it up into. First one's just gonna be doing the exterior, which will be, these will all be short. I mean, come on, it's not that exciting to watch somebody get something ready to sell. But maybe you'll pick something up out of swapping out the struts or some of the buffing stuff. Or I bought a green machine, a Bissell green machine. I've always wanted one. So I'm gonna use that to shampoo the interior. So that'll be cool. I hope. I've never used one. I looked cool. So hopefully that'll clean it up. So 298,000 miles. Still running great. Just want to make it a great car for someone else. Hopefully they'll love it as much as we have. It's the best car I've ever had. I mean, it's a four-door Camry. It's not exactly exciting, but it's been great. It's been a good car. So let's get started. Just using a wire brush, just trying to get them all going the same direction here. I've got a carpet shampooer that we ordered that I'm pretty excited about, but this is just pressure wash the big stuff out, and then hopefully I'll be able to get after it with the carpet shampooer. Where's the other ones? The front ones are definitely not as good a shape. So, gotta get it washed. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna wash it. Then I'm gonna hit it with clay. Got a clay mitt, works awesome. Do that. Probably do a little bit of buffing just to try and fix some stuff. Give it a little more curb appeal. I just want to get the exterior finished today, and then I think my tires show up next week, so I've got to get my other wheels and other wheels cleaned up. So they've got the TPMS tire pressure senders in them, so new tires will go on those wheels. They don't fit anything else I have. They might fit my international pickup, but it's still stuck in the mud out in the middle of the field. So I've got another set of Steelies that I probably would rather use on that anyway if they do fit. So suds, clay mitt, do some buffing, then we'll get a wax on it.
Okay, so this is the pine needle. This is the clay mitt. This is a Presto one. I've got some others. Detailer. You can kind of hear. I don't know if you can hear it. So this kind of takes that. You hear scratching. Well, not scratching, but it sounds like it's scratching. It's pulling all the little chunks of stuff out of the paint, and it's pulling quiet. It's pulling kind of the edges off the chips too. So this hood is so chipped up, it's only going to take so much of this stuff off, but this will get all the stuff that's embedded, so it'll really, really shine. Curb appeal, baby. Quiet, see? If you could only feel. But now I just have the whole car to do. Doesn't take much time at all, sure.
All right, here's what I'm going with. Ultra Cutting Cream Light. It's not too bad. There's some swirls. You can kind of see. Hard to see, but just give it a little business. Polish and wax, and good to go. It's in pretty good shape still. Washing again. Looks pretty great. I think I'm done for the day. Next up is getting tires mounted on the old aluminum wheels. And then we've got to get the new struts on. And then I've got a belt that's going beep, 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 beep. I'm going to try some belt dressing. If that doesn't work, I'm probably going to have to replace that serpentine belt, which is annoying. It's only got about 20,000 miles on it. But I think I spilled some oil maybe on it, and now I cleaned it, and it sounds terrible, so I have to address that. And then the interior, of course, I'm just still waiting for some people to get stuff out of the car, people that I live with that have been driving it. So once all that's out of there, then moving on to the next step. Dump for today.